Dear students, third question is just similar to question number 2. The cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes was found to be 160 rupees same. In place of bat and ball, they have given you apples and grapes. Then in second line, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is 300. Represent them graphically and algebraically. So let the cost of 1 kg apple be x and the cost of 1 kg grapes be y. In first case, 2 kg apples are there, so cost is 2x. 1 kg apples are there, so 1y is equal to total cost is 160. In second case, 4 kg apples are there, so cost is 4x. 2 kg grapes are there, so cost is 2y is equal to 300. But as I told you, dear students, if in any of the equation all the coefficients and the constant term are multiple of any common number, then we can cancel out the left hand side as well as the right hand side. So as 4, 2 and 300 all are the multiples of 2, so we can cut them by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and half of 300 is 150. So the new pair of equations will be this. First equation will remain as it is. The second will become 2x plus 1y is equal to 150. This is the first step. This is the algebraic representation. Now for the geometrical, for graphically, let us find out the coordinates. In the first equation, we'll keep y to the left hand side because its coefficient is 1. And we'll take 2x to other side because it is in combination. So it will become minus 2x. Assume the values of x in this form. Why I'm not taking 1, 2, 3? Because I can see the cost of apple can't be 1 rupee or 2 rupee. So I've assumed the multiples of tens. When x is 10, put the value in this. Y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 70. 2 into 70 is 140. 160 minus 140 is 20. Similarly, when x is 60, y is 160 minus 2 into 60 is 120. 160 minus 120 is 40. Similarly, other values. In the same way, second equation, we have again kept y on left hand side as its coefficient is 1 and x to other side. By assuming the values of x as the multiples of tens, we'll get the values of y. So we'll make 2 boxes in this case. Again, minimum 3 solutions you must find out. Now let us plot them graphically. For graphical representation, again all the values are positive, so I have taken only first quadrant. On x-axis, I have taken all the multiples of 10 because values are in 10 multiple form. And x represents the cost of 1 kg apples and y represents the cost of grapes. So take all these numbers. Now dear students, first value is 70 and 20. So here is x 70 and 20. So we'll start moving from 70, we'll move to 20. Yahan se 20, so we'll mark it here. Second value is 60 and 40. So 60 will start moving up to 40. So we'll mark it here. Third is 50 and 60. So we'll start from 50 and we'll move up to 60. We'll mark it here. 60. So join the points using the scale. Always remember 14 चैप्टर में हम फ्री हैंडेडली ज्वाइन करते थे क्योंकि वो कर्व था. ऑगिव्स मीन्स कर्व होता है, बट दिस इज द लीनियर इक्वेशन चैप्टर. लाइन की इक्वेशन, लाइन शुड बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सिमिलरली प्लॉट द सेकेंड पॉइंट्स 50 50. सो हियर इज x 50, मूव इट टू y 50, मार्क इट हियर. देन 60 30, x is 60 and 30, mark it here. Then third is 70 10. This is 70, mark it here 10. Join the second line. In this case, you will find 2 parallel lines. See, the 2 lines must be parallel. So dear students, in this way you will be able to complete the question.